Hey guys, today I want to show you how to boost an Instagram story. Yes, you heard that right, story. How to boost an Instagram story. And we are on Jambi's Tutorials, my page for experimenting and creating tutorials with. As always, you can follow it for tips and tricks on this page as well. So I am going to go into the story I want to boost and click on it. Here we go. At the bottom, you'll see boost. If you don't, click on more and go to boost story at the bottom. Now, something worth mentioning, you cannot boost a story that is tagging another profile, just to note. And then once you click that, if you've not advertised on your Instagram before, it will ask you to select an ad account, or if you don't want to use a Facebook ad account, to set up a payment method. But if you have, it will bring you straight here. And we've done a lot of stuff on this page, so we've gone straight here. So you need to select a goal, whether you want more profile visits, more website visits, or more messages. I'll select profile visits and continue. Then select your target audience. First, you need to declare if your ad is a special category. That is, if your ad is related to credit, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics, and declare that, because this is to minimize discrimination in such categories. Then you can select your audience, your target audience. You can do it automatic, that is, allow Instagram to target people similar to your followers. You can select an audience if you had already saved an audience before. Or you can create a fresh audience and give it a name, set the location, interests, gender, age, and save that and use that. So I'll just use what I had already created and click next. Then we go to budget and duration. I will set this for $1, say for 2 days, and go to next. Then it will ask you to review your ad and boost if you're good with it. And that's it. That's how you boost an Instagram story. Yes, you can promote an Instagram story. So follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on digital marketing and everything business. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, and I will see you next time.